Hello students, I am Pervesh and today I am here to teach you your English book Beehive. In this book today we are reading 6th chapter My Childhood. My childhood is taken from Abdul Kalam's autobiography Wings of Fire. This lesson tells us about Abdul Kalam's childhood. Abdul Kalam, who was one of India's greatest scientists, was born in a middle class Muslim family in 1931 at Rameshwaram. His journey from a middle class family in Rameshwaram to the president's house had not been a smooth ride. He worked hard and faced all the odds of life. He was born in a conservative society. His family, his teacher, and his friends influenced him in his childhood. His father, Januluddin, was not much educated, but he was very generous and a kind person. He was not rich, but he provided Abdul a happy and secure childhood. Abdul inherited honesty and self-discipline from his father and kindness from his mother. Abdul earned his first wages by working as a helping hand to his cousin Samsuddin, who distributed newspaper in Rameshwaram. He was also influenced by some of his friends and teachers. He had three close friends, Ramanandan Sastri, Arvindan and Shiv Prakashan. When he was in the 5th standard, a new teacher hurt his feelings by ordering him to sit away from high caste Brahmin boys. Abdul was deeply influenced by his science teacher Shiv Subramanya Iyer. He taught him lesson of breaking social barriers. He served him food and sat down beside him, though his orthodox wife opposed to do so. Being grown up, his father permitted him for higher studies and sent him to the district headquarters in Ramnathpuram. His father remarked, "Abdul, I know you have to go away and grow," and thus began his journey from a common student to a prominent scientist and then President of India.